to today's episode, guys. I'm Mariam, and today I want to chat about, are you living in the narcissist narrative? You see, guys, this is about the balance of energies, the inner energies in us, the yin and the yang. You see, the yin is the feminine, the yang is the masculine. When the yin gets invalidated, dismissed, suppressed, the yang, on the other hand, will become dominant. You see, the yin is all about being receptive, being intuitive, the feminine, right? The yang is all about the masculine energy. For example, taking a step forward in life, acting on your desires and dreams. You see, when this energy becomes dominant, it will control your life. It acts like external authorities, the narcissist. So the yin has been invalidated, it is suppressed, the yang will take over, will become dominant, and you'll find yourself attracting narcissists, controlling figures that are reflecting back at you, hey look, sort out the yang energy, sort out the yin energy in your body. That's the healing process. Finding balance and harmony between these energies, creating them as part of your healing journey, being congruent, realizing that we need to create a harmonious atmosphere within ourselves, being receptive, trusting our inner voices, at the same time taking a step forward in life, realizing our purpose. You see, when these energies are out of balance, one is invalidated, the yin, one is dominant, the yang, will attract people, narcissists, that are going to help us heal the imbalance. Now, we either see it and begin healing ourselves, or we're still unconscious. So we'll keep looping and repeating narcissistic realities. Hopefully, you guys find this video helpful. Take a moment to honor your journey, to honor who you truly are. Once again, if you are looking for one-on-one coaching sessions, make sure you reach out to me. My email is in the description below. I'm looking forward to journeying with you guys, to hold your hand so we can see the light at the end of the tunnel. You've got this. Keep shining your light. Look after your precious soul. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.